This video is for administrators who want to add, assign, and organize users all from within their Autodesk account. We'll go over how to add users, how to organize users with groups and organize subscriptions with teams, how to assign products to users, and how to add or change primary, secondary, or SSO admins. After signing in to your Autodesk account, select By User on the left under User Management. Here you can view and manage your users. To add new users, click on Invite User. You can invite users individually, or you can import users in bulk by creating and uploading a CSV file. This allows you to add up to 5,000 users with each upload. You can continue working while the file is uploading, and a notification will display when the import is complete. If you're on the premium plan, users can be automatically added once single sign-on is enabled. When new users are invited, they'll receive an email with steps for them to get started setting up their new Autodesk account. From this page, you can also export your entire user list or select additional information you'd like to export from your account, such as your subscription list or usage data. You can also delete users by clicking on a user's profile and clicking the delete icon in the top right corner. After adding your users, you may want to organize them. When you first get started with your Autodesk account, all the users you add will be organized in one user list and one designated team. Most of the time, you will not need to have more than one team. But if your company has multiple sub-organizations that you manage, and you also want to purchase subscriptions centrally for your entire organization, it may be helpful to create additional teams. If you don't need to create additional teams, you can skip this step. To create new teams, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, you can create new teams, assign new admins, and move users between teams. You can also move subscriptions between teams, and they will continue to be managed under the same primary admin. Next, if you have several users within your team who need the same product assignments, you can create groups to quickly assign them the same products. When new users are added to a group, they will be auto-assigned any products that have been assigned to that group. When products are added or removed from the group, all users in that group will have their assignments updated. If you're on the Premium or Enterprise plan, you can also set up Directory Sync, which allows you to sync your organization's directory with Autodesk account and manage groups through your directory. You can automate groups and product assignments, and users will be assigned or unassigned products when added or removed from a group in your directory. Now that you have your list of users, you'll want to assign them to products. First, we'll cover how to assign users with subscriptions, then go over how to assign users to Flex. For single user subscriptions, you can either assign users individually by going to By User, then clicking on an individual user, or you can go to the By Product view and add users to those available product subscriptions. Finally, you can bulk assign users by uploading a CSV file. This option is recommended if you need to assign a large number of users to all the same product. When you upload your CSV file from here, it will automatically send new users an invite to create their account and assign them product access. For existing users, they'll be assigned product access only. With bulk assign, you still have the option to customize the product assignment that will apply to the entire user list you upload. When you're assigning users, you'll also see in your account when you've reached the full number of subscriptions in use and can't assign more users to that product. Once users are assigned to new products, they'll receive an email confirmation with the products they're assigned and steps to get started. They'll also see their assigned products in their Autodesk account. If you're assigning users to Flex, first make sure all your users are added. If they are already in your user list, you do not need to add them again. After your users are added, click on a user in your user list. Scroll down and select Assign Flex. There you can customize the user's assignments, or customize assignments for all users under Default Assignments. Select By User under User Management, then select the settings icon in the top right. From there, scroll down and select Set up Default Assignments. You can select all products or certain products you want to assign to all Flex users and click Save Changes. This will automatically assign those products to all existing and new users who are assigned to Flex. This will not apply to any users who are assigned single user subscriptions. Lastly, we'll go over the roles of admins. If you want to change the primary admin or add or change secondary admins, click on By User. Select a user and click on Change Role under their name and select the new role you'd like for that user. Primary admins and secondary admins can manage users and software, view usage reports, and manage subscriptions and contracts all within their Autodesk account. There can only be one primary admin per team, but you can create as many secondary admins as you'd like. Primary admins can also add or change secondary admins. If you are on the premium plan, you can also assign a single sign-on admin who has all the same user management capabilities as the secondary admin, but they can also help primary admin with configuring SSO. You can designate as many SSO admins as needed. All other individuals are automatically designated as users. If you'd like more information, visit the User Management section of the Autodesk Knowledge Network.